Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is like the coolest Ipsy bag ever, and I can't wait to tell you why. The theme is creative. It's all about being creative, and I guarantee you, well, I won't 100% guarantee you, but I'll like 95% guarantee you that no two Ipsy bags in the end will be the same. And I'm going to explain why here in a little bit. So let's get into the products, and I will tell you why none of these bags are going to be the same. They're going to be like snowflakes. So hey guys, I've got the March Ipsy bag. The theme is create. It's all about being creative and artistic. Little card on the back. I love it. It's always got like a cute little story of somewhat. So this month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art, which is what you can do with this bag, as I will get into. Redecorate your space. Mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, which if you ever saw the independent film Kissing Jessica Stein, there's a whole scene in that movie about how she puts together 3 different lip shades. One of them is like MAC Viva Glam, and I got all excited in there. I was like, ah! So it's an amazing scene, but hey, that's what I have pretty much lived by. Like, I'll just, like right now, I have 2 different shades. I have like a Lord & Berry matte lip pencil with Revlon like metallic over it. Anyway, rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you'd never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. So, with that being said, this month's bag comes with markers. Oh my gosh, and it has hashtag Ipsy Create on it. So this is why no 2 bags are going to be the same. Unless, you know, by chance everybody, you know, decides to color together. Like if you're a twin or something, you're like, let's color our bags together. So this reminds me of the She Authority shirts. And if you're not familiar with She Authority, that is like the pro-women group that the actresses on all the DC shows got together and formed. So I'm not gonna lie, some of these might end up becoming like DC people, like that one and that one. And then I might add myself to it in there. But it's gonna be really cool. And don't feel like you can only use 2 markers, like the 2 that come with it. I'm going to get creative and break out some other markers. But let's get into the products. So first, we have the Contour Cosmetics Lip Liner. I got the color Juju. It's like a kind of nude color. Peachy nude. There you go. Suddenly gotten into more lip liners lately, so that I have a really neat lip line. Then we have Dirty Little Secret. It's a baked highlighter. I got Bellini, which they say is an intoxicating pink. So as soon as I can pop it open. I don't know if you hear crunching in the background, but that's my cat. She's getting her little snack on while I'm filming. Of course, Mom's got the camera on. Let's act a damn fool. Then we have Glossier Balm.com. I've got the coconut balm, and you can use it on more than just your lips. You can use it as a skin salve. You can use it as cuticle cream. It's multi-use, and it kind of smells like the lip smackers from when you were little, you know. Bubblegum, Dr. Pepper. I forget what other ones there were, but that one's coconut. Then we have the Andalou Naturals 1000 Roses Lotion. It's florally. It's not too strong of a scent though, so feel free to reapply throughout the day. And then finally, we have the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, which if I can get it open. Up, there we go. the eyeliner. Now here's the best part about Sex Kitten. It's waterproof. Yes. So as it gets warmer and the humidity starts to form, or those April showers, guess what? Your eyeliner isn't going to run. So that is the Ipsy March bag. Here's where to find me. And I will see you next time. Tomboy Beauty.